Hi guys, today we are going to talk about one new confusion or one new problem which generally faced by some of the startup ideas. And it is like using some old technology and make some new concept. So they are actually in the dilemma like, does this old technology work? Is it useful, or how this is going to be worked out? So we are going to solve this problem today. So the old technology is walkie-talkie. Walkie-talkie has been in this world from 90s. Like, it has been one of the good tool for, in the war to communicate between the places. They have their own set of hardware. You can see they have their own set of transmitter, and they can communicate in the specific frequency. And or both the teams, like, or both the, we can say both the countries who are in the war front, they have their own set of frequency where they communicate between their own, commander or team or something like that. So walkie talkie is useful for the specific concept or a specific place. So can that be used in the new world with the smartphones? If yes, then what all type of technology they are using? Are they really using the same transmitter thing or something else? And how we can use it in an economical way in the conceptual, in the new startup ideas. So these all things which we are going to discuss or solve it out today in the whole scenario. So overall, these are some normal people problems or the question when I come across, like walkie talkie in mobile phone. Because we are in the set of technology, we are not going to give any set of external hardware to the people. There are technologies with external hardware already developed. We don't need to worry about it. We are thinking about some startup ideas where we want to use the walkie talkie concept in the startup smartphone. So the questions which come in our mind is how, can, which, who, will, what, like overall what is going to be there. The first and the important thing is we need to understand the technology. Definitely you are not going to develop it from your own or from the scratch. Number one, you are, a person who is actually in, in some business or in some job or something. You get a startup idea and you want to implement this. You will have your own set of developers, you will have your own set of team or something like that. All these things are there, but still I say kindly know the process, because if it should be in your knowledge how the things are going to be. So first, we should consider like which type of startups are actually using this functionality. Overall there are still people who are using it. There are apps on this, in this particular system. So what type of people are using this walkie talkie concept and not our, WhatsApp, Facebook or some normal video calls and that all thing? The people who are actually making something for disaster management, or something like, earlier we used to have Yahoo anonymous group chats, the same way anonymous groups for the voice messages, or off field where, for example, you have 15 or 20 employees who are working in a construction site. They are at different fields, and to getting connected there is very much issue with the network. They don't get a proper network, so maybe not proper internet, no proper calls can work out. They want to have to communicate with you. You are working on that scenario. Adventure activities where you are in the hilltop or in the rivers, or somewhere in the forest. So how to communicate? And kids entertainment, this is something new has came up. Kids entertainment, kids scenarios are very much different. They are actually in the real good network. They are in the place where the network is good, but still walkie talkie is very much interesting for them because they have not seen the original hardware. They have just seen something. It is very much interesting for them to talk push talk, wait for someone to push and talk. This will create a curiosity. So this has been one more setup where these type of startups are looking into this particular setup. So first, let's discuss the technology. Why the technology? Because this is a technological based startups. So you should know how the things are going to be. So the first confusion arises. Does our phone walkie-talkie application work on a radio frequency concept which is used in the real walkie-talkie with the transmitter? Do our smartphones are really capable of that? And if yes, where was that technology? Like, I had never faced it. We are using smartphone from last 10 to 15 years. We only use it to hear the radio, that also with some set of free setting or something like that. where was that technology hidden in our smartphone? How to use it out? But the truth is, your smartphone walkie-talkie app is not going to work on radio frequency. I repeat, it's not going to work on radio frequency because your smartphone is capable of some set of frequency that is used for sending and receiving call. Radio frequency for walkie-talkie is at different level. The smartphones are not capable for that particular thing, so it is not going to use the radio frequency. Then now the question arises, then what they are going to use? So the same Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. If yes, what is the reach? How far we can go? Again, here also we have some technological enhancement, but definitely they are going to use Wi-Fi Bluetooth setup only, because that is something like used for transmission from one thing to another, another to another, another to another. So our phone is capable of using Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, that is only going to be used, but there are some setups which we can use around. So there are some already built, setup, like MeshKit was very much popular in 2017, like 2017 it was very much popular, and as you can see in the image, it can actually thrive your whole mobile app with connecting to one people to another, another to one, another to one through without network or without internet. That was really good. Currently it is not working. Today, on today date, MeshKit is not available for you to use. Their libraries are not updated. You can find somewhere some GitHub or something like that, but still it is not getting updated as per the time being. So, but the concept is usable. So if you are going to build a walkie-talkie, try to understand this concept. Like you are actually connecting people from one person to another person to another person. So for example, there is a person and there is a C person. They both are at some good distance. And if you want to communicate between A and C without the internet, what you can do? You have to send a message from A to B. B is a person in between who is also using the same app or something like that. Okay, and he is in your Bluetooth or Wi-Fi range. So your message will transfer from A to B and B to C. But B can't decrypt it. Okay, it will be an encrypted message. B can't decrypt it, but B will become a transmitter. So that is the concept has been used in MeshKit, and that has been provided to the people. So this concept is something which we need to use in walkie-talkie. There are some Git repositories which I found, like AllJoins or IoTVT.org. So these are some well-known Git repositories which we can use it out, work around and solve the problem. But still these are also using the transmitter between a Bluetooth, a hotspot on that all thing only. They are not actually using any of the radio frequency. There are some pre-built apps also in this concept, like ZombieChat, FireChat, Zello. FireChat is actually using MeshKit, but this is something they are using from the very old time. They might have their own private repository or setup, but in that way it is working. But there are other apps are there, like SeveralMatch, ZombieChat, FireChat, Yellow. So they are using, or they are working on a walkie-talkie concept, but they are using Bluetooth or transmitter or very less internet. Some apps are there which are using internet but of the level of 2G. And how they work on that? Because they only send voice messages, and that voice message is also compressed. So they need very, very less internet to transmit. So walkie-talkie applications also work if you are in a situation where there is a very low internet connectivity, very low network connectivity, and you want to send over the messages. That can be done smoothly. So in that scenario, walkie-talkie work. Majorly it works, on the mobile network connectivity setup also. Now let's view this particular thing from the economy perspective. Why economy? Because if there is no economy, no use, no benefit, why people will use it out? Why we create this thing? Everything need to be created, so someone need to use it. So from my perspective, if you are looking to create something like a gaming in your app, something like a game authentication or a effect of game, where people, or generally you are actually having a paintball setup. So where people are shooting with that gun to each other, and they can communicate with the walkie-talkie also with their phone. If you have a setup, because they are in the some certain distance only, you can put up a Wi-Fi router or something like that, so everyone get connected with that router and they can work out in that. Very, very good. Tourism. Why tourism? If you go into the some other countries, data is a really difficult thing or a costly thing or something, the tourists don't want to waste data many times in other countries. Why? Because they need to buy a new sim, they need to work out in that around or something like that. So if you keep a walkie-talkie type of concept for tourists, and if they have went into the group, they all put this in their phone. So with very low internet or with very less data, or if they get any Wi-Fi anywhere or something around, they can on a free Wi-Fi, like on a metro free Wi-Fi, or MRT free Wi-Fi or something like that, they can easily transmit the messages in the voice. And voice messages look good also, it look cool. Typing a message is a very long process. Voice is cool. So tourists like this particular concept. And if you are in the off field, as we already discussed, you need to instruct to the people who don't have the good connectivity, you can use it. So these are some situations where you can think about the startup and you can use the walkie-talkie technology. And this technology exists, this work well with the phone. They use Bluetooth and Wi-Fi or very less amount of internet. They don't work on radio frequencies. So these are something which we conclude, and looking out the overall prosperity of this whole setup. Number one is technological perspective. Everything is possible and this is a doable and people are using it. These apps are getting downloaded. So technology perspective, it is good to go. Economy perspective, they have their use cases. Definitely, those are quite specific, but if you have something supporting to the use case, it is good to go. If you have like a paintball setup already and you want something extra for your audience, good to go. If you are in the tourism industry and you want, like, if the group of people go from your side, they should have something extra or something, you can provide them an edge against the competitor, good to go. If you want to add some gamification in the kids app or something like that, how kids communicate, how they can work on the team, you want to teach them like how the whole setup is going to be, good to go. So there are economy perspective, good to go. So overall, these type of applications are good to go. It is possible to develop and possible, like there are use cases, people are going to use it. So here I conclude, like in this today's problem solver video, we have actually checked out like how walkie-talkie technology is going to be developed in the mobile phone, which all perspective are there where they can work out, and people's problem like how, when, where, which can have tried to answer all these questions. Still, if you have any queries or something, we will be providing our contact details or way to connect with us. We can discuss one-to-one like how exactly this thing is helpful for your idea, or how exactly we can solve out any of the problem you are facing in this particular setup. We are really loving to work out with you, and thank you. Have a great day. Enjoy.